I'm Celebrity Chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make jalapenos stuffed with feta. This is a really fast and easy appetizer that is really delicious, and it's a little bit surprising because it's got a sweet and spicy kick. To get started, you will want your jalapenos. Jalapenos are great because they've got really good flavor, but they're not too spicy. If you want them less spicy, you would remove the seeds, and so that's what I'm going to do today. So I just cut off the top, and then I'm going to make a slit in it. Open it up a little bit, and then I'm just going to scrape out some of these seeds. You'll want to be careful touching your eyes after handling the jalapenos because it burns. And I've actually had temporary blindness from habanero seeds, so you'll want to be careful. That's a true story. Okay, so now I have the seeds out of my jalapeno, and I'm going to put a little piece of feta in there. So this is a block of goat milk feta. There's so many different types of flavors out there, and there's low-fat varieties, so just find one that works best for you. So I'm just going to cut a little piece, and then I'm going to cut that again into a piece that's big enough to fit inside my jalapeno. I'm just going to kind of stuff it in there so I can close the jalapeno and it looks nice. Okay. Now I'm just going to put my feta stuffed jalapeno on a plate, and then I'm going to give it a drizzle of honey. This is a really surprising appetizer because you would normally not serve honey with the jalapenos, but it's a really great addition because it goes with the tartness of the feta and the spiciness of the jalapeno, and that just looks pretty. Okay. Then I'm going to give it a little garnish of fresh ground pepper. And it's ready to serve just like this. This is Mariko showing you how to make jalapenos stuffed with feta. Enjoy.